Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. Today we paint a green orc skin. So basically I wanted to try to paint over gray primer. Albeit this one was like black primer and then zenithal gray primer on top. I wanted to see if I could create good contrast over gray primer because I find painting over black, especially for commission works, a bit too time consuming. So I wanted to see if I could create good contrast. So this is like speed layering, if there's such a thing. I can't really call this speed painting because if I wanted speed painting, I will just airbrush the base color, the green base color and the skin. That will be so much faster. But I wanted to practice my layering as well. So we started with heavy black green. It's a heavy extra opaque paint. I love the extra opaque paints. It's perfect for people like me who are a bit impatient. The heavy black green has a bluish tint. It's perfect for our shadow areas later. Now we paint with German cam bright green. I always mix, at least for me, I always mix the previous color with the next color. That will be our intermediate color so that we'll have a semi good transition in between colors. We won't be glazing in this video because I'm trying to keep it as basic as possible. Basic layering, basic speed layering, because glazing is a bit tricky to do because you need to pull and push the pigments and the paint, and I find it a bit more complex in comparison to just basic layering. So that's the objective of the video. No black primer, we're painting over gray zenithal primer, and then no glazing for me because I find it a bit more complex. So you'll see like mixing a lot of colors here, basically the previous colors with the next color, and then we'll also use a bit of ink, red ink later. So let's watch the rest of the video. That's it, we're done. I guess we could create contrast even if we paint over gray primer. And also, it's a matter of just painting less and less areas as the colors get brighter. I think I could paint a bit more highlights, maybe even white around the lip areas, and maybe put purple shadows on the skin to add more, like to give a nice, more complex look to the model. But that's it. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also do visit my website. Saludos! Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel.